This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello and welcome to Twitter Case Study. Now, Twitter is a blogging or a short messaging platform, and I'm sure that everyone watching this video are actually connected to Twitter and they have Twitter account. Now, it is a very interesting story, and it's one of my favorite social media. Jack Dorsey is actually a founder of Twitter. He was born in 1973. Till the age of 29, he was unsure about what to do in life. Then he meets Evan Clark, which is Evan Clark Williams, at some cafe. And then Evan Clark gives him a job in his company. And then in the company, Jack sketches Twitter for Evan Clark. Evan Clark becomes the CEO of that company. Then Jack is fired by Evan Clark. Very interestingly, I'm not sure why, but Jack becomes CEO. So as you can see, there's a lot of action going on, a lot of challenges are going on within the company. Then Twitter breaks through at Southwest in March 2007, and he comes up with the idea of 140 character of the tweet, what we call it as today, 140 character tweet. Evan Clark is replaced with Dick Costolo after that, and then 100 million active users acquisition. In November of 2013, files IPO. Jack becomes CEO again in 2015, and the year later in 2016, Twitter attempts to sell itself, and so on, a lot of things. A couple of years ago, there was a very downturn for Twitter, and it was not actually working, as in sense, a lot of people were not engaging in Twitter. Now, in the next video, I am going to very interestingly show you and reveal what growth hacking technique they have come up with. And in 2018, this is the end of 2018 as I'm speaking, is Twitter is one of the bigger platform or social media platform which everyone uses worldwide. Okay, stay tuned for the next one. See you in a minute.